Welcome to Classic Cars Click, the place where classic cars live on and history keeps rolling down the road. We're here to bring you the best in automotive history, restorations, reviews, and the sound of engines roaring. And enjoy. Number 1. 1981 Mercedes 240D, price $2,000. A true diesel classic that's built to last. This 1981 Mercedes 240D is ready for its next chapter. Listed just 2 hours ago in Savannah, Missouri, this 4-speed legend starts, runs, and drives, proving its reliability. Equipped with newer tires and known for its excellent fuel mileage, it's perfect for anyone who appreciates solid engineering and vintage charm. Sure, it's not the fastest on the road, and yes, it could use some TLC, but that's the fun of owning a classic like this. Whether you're restoring, collecting, or just cruising with style, this Mercedes offers an affordable entry into the world of timeless European design. Don't miss the chance to bring home this diesel icon. Message now before it's gone. Number 2. 1978 Mercedes-Benz 300D, non-turbo, price $3,500. Step back in time with this elegant 1978 Mercedes-Benz 300D, a non-turbo diesel classic with only 115,000 miles on the odometer. Located in Olathe, Kansas, and listed 4 weeks ago, this vintage beauty features a smooth automatic transmission, timeless body lines, and the unmatched durability Mercedes diesels are known for. Its understated power and legendary reliability make it a favorite among collectors and enthusiasts alike. With plenty of life left under the hood, it's perfect for weekend cruises, restoration projects, or simply enjoying a piece of German automotive history. Whether you're a seasoned classic car lover or a first-time buyer, this 300D offers solid value and vintage charm. Don't wait. Opportunities like this don't come often. Reach out today and make it yours. Number 3. 1982 Mercedes-Benz 380 SL, price $2,500. Timeless style meets road-ready performance in this classic 1982 Mercedes-Benz 380 SL. Listed by a dealership 18 weeks ago in Kansas City, Missouri, this beauty has been driven just 100,000 miles, a low count for a grand tour of its era. With an automatic transmission and a reputation for smooth, luxurious cruising, it's the perfect weekend car or vintage daily driver. The 380 SL offers that unmistakable Mercedes-Benz presence. Long hood, solid stance, and a ride that whispers class with every mile. Whether you're into classic restoration or simply want to own a slice of 80s European elegance, this one deserves your attention. The price is right, the look is iconic, and the experience? Purely unforgettable. Schedule a viewing and feel the legacy in motion. Number 4. 1976 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL Roadster 2D. Price $4,250. Here's your chance to own a true head-turner. The 1976 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL Roadster. Listed just a week ago in Blue Springs, Missouri, this vintage beauty has 132,000 miles and runs on a smooth automatic transmission. It's got that classic two-door Roadster look, low, wide, and ready to cruise. Whether you're rolling through town or soaking up sunshine on a weekend drive, this Benz brings vintage vibes and timeless elegance. The V8 under the hood gives you just enough muscle to back up its bold presence. It's not just a car, it's a conversation starter, a driveway trophy, and a rolling piece of history. At this price, it's a steal for style that never goes out of fashion. Take it for a spin before someone else does. Number 5. 1974 Mercedes-Benz 500 SL Roadster 2D, price $7,650. A rare find with timeless appeal, this 1974 Mercedes-Benz 500 SL Roadster is a statement of pure vintage luxury. Listed 2 weeks ago in Kansas City, Missouri, This roadster has traveled 128,000 miles and features a reliable automatic transmission. From its graceful lines to its confident stance, the 500 cell embodies the golden era of European craftsmanship. Slide behind the wheel and you'll feel the prestige. The smooth V8, the solid build, the unmistakable aura of a true classic. Whether you're a collector seeking originality or a driver craving open-top freedom with sophistication, this roadster delivers both. Elegant, bold, and increasingly rare, it's the kind of car that appreciates in value and admiration. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of Mercedes-Benz history. Number 6. 1976 Mercedes-Benz 400 SE Sedan 4D. Price, $8,000. Solid, stately, and built to impress. This 1976 Mercedes-Benz 400 SE Sedan 4D stands as a proud symbol of classic German engineering. Listed 13 weeks ago in Prairie Village, Kansas, it's logged 160,000 miles and features a smooth, automatic transmission. Don't let the mileage fool you. This full-size luxury sedan was crafted for longevity and comfort. The 400 SE delivers a commanding V8 performance, wrapped in a clean, elegant body that reflects the prestige of the Mercedes-Benz legacy. Whether you're a vintage enthusiast or simply searching for a standout daily classic, this sedan offers space, power, and undeniable presence. It's not just a car, it's a statement of timeless class. Act now, because luxury like this doesn't wait around. Number 7. 1986 Mercedes-Benz 600 SL Roadster 2D. Price, $8,500. Dare to drive something different? This 1986 Mercedes-Benz 600 SL Roadster 2D is your ticket to turning heads. Listed 20 weeks ago in Kansas City, Kansas, this bold classic has 131,533 miles on it and features an automatic transmission that glides through every gear with ease. The 600 SL isn't just a car, it's a statement of power and prestige. Sleek lines, a commanding presence, and open-top freedom come together in a ride that refuses to be ignored. Whether you're carving through city streets or cruising the countryside, this roadster delivers a confident, thrilling experience. Rare, refined, and ready for its next adventure. This Mercedes is more than metal, it's personality on wheels. On the road like you were meant to. Message today. Number 8. 1975 Mercedes-Benz 240D. Price, $10,000. A true survivor from the golden era of diesel engineering. This 1975 Mercedes-Benz 240D is a gem that's aged with grace. Listed 19 weeks ago in Kansas City, Missouri, it's been driven just 34,273 miles, remarkably low for a car known to run for decades. With an automatic transmission, it offers a smooth and relaxed ride that embodies old-school Mercedes quality. The 240D isn't built for speed. It's built for the long haul, for those who appreciate endurance, simplicity, and timeless design. Its diesel heart hums with quiet determination, while its classic lines reflect the era's elegance. This isn't just a car, it's a piece of automotive history, waiting to be appreciated again. Own it, drive it, or preserve it. It's a treasure either way. Number 9. 1982 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Roadster 2D. Price, $12,000. Step into luxury with this stunning 1982 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Roadster. Listed just 2 days ago in Reed Spring, Missouri, this iconic roadster has been driven 112,775 miles and features a smooth automatic transmission. The 300 SL blends timeless style with exceptional performance, an open-top beauty that invites you to embrace the road with sophistication. Its V8 engine purrs as you cruise, delivering a ride that's both exhilarating and refined. Whether you're cruising on a sunny day or enjoying the night sky, this Roadster promises an unforgettable driving experience. With its sleek design, powerful presence, and the Mercedes-Benz legacy, this 300SL is a must-have for any classic car enthusiast. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history. Number 10. 1982 Mercedes-Benz SL. Price, $12,000. This 1982 Mercedes-Benz SL is a true testament to timeless design and refined performance. Listed 16 weeks ago in St. Joseph, Missouri, this beauty has been driven just 83,471 miles and features a smooth automatic transmission. The exterior gleams in an elegant silver, perfectly complemented by a luxurious blue interior that adds a touch of sophistication to every drive. With its powerful V8 engine, this Roadster delivers both exhilarating performance and a comfortable, smooth ride. Whether cruising the city streets or taking the scenic route, the SL offers a driving experience that's second to none. Classic yet modern, this Mercedes-Benz SL combines the best of both worlds. Don't miss the opportunity to own a true automotive icon. Number 11. 1974 Mercedes-Benz SL 450 Roadster 2D. Price, $15,000. A rare opportunity to own a classic. This 1974 Mercedes-Benz SL 450 Roadster 2D blends timeless elegance with incredible performance. Listed a year ago in Lewisburg, Kansas, it's been driven just 108,000 miles and features a smooth automatic transmission. The SL450 is a roadster that captures the essence of luxury driving, with its sleek lines, powerful V8 engine, and sophisticated interior. Whether you're cruising on the highway or showing it off at a car meet, this beauty is sure to turn heads. The combination of classic design and a meticulously engineered drive makes it an incredible addition to any collection or for anyone seeking a stylish and memorable driving experience. Don't let this piece of automotive history slip away. Number 12. 1972 Mercedes-Benz SL. Price, $22,500. Experience the pinnacle of automotive luxury with this 1972 Mercedes-Benz SL, an exceptional roadster that stands out in both style and performance. Listed 43 weeks ago in Leawood, Kansas, this classic beauty has been driven only 10,000 miles, making it a truly rare find. Featuring a smooth automatic transmission, the SL delivers a refined driving experience that's as timeless as its design. From its sleek body lines to its luxurious interior, every inch of this roadster speaks to the superior craftsmanship Mercedes-Benz is known for. Whether you're a collector or a driving enthusiast, this low-mileage, highly sought-after SL offers a unique opportunity to own a piece of history. Don't miss out on this one-of-a-kind classic, a true automotive treasure. Number 13. 1989 Bentley Turbo R. Price, $3,000. Luxury, power, and presence, all in one bold package. This 1989 Bentley Turbo R is a true British icon, offered at an unbeatable price. Listed just a week ago in Stillwell, Kansas, it's been driven 150,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission that delivers effortless performance. Beneath the elegant exterior lies a turbocharged V8, built to move with authority and class. The Turbo R is more than a car. It's a statement of prestige, wrapped in handcrafted leather, wood, and heritage. Whether you're restoring it, collecting it, or cruising in timeless style, this Bentley delivers unmatched road presence and old-world charm. At just $3,000, this is an extraordinary chance to own a legend without breaking the bank. Number 14. 1994 Mercedes-Benz SL Class. Price, $8,500. Looking for a stylish classic with personality? Check out this 1994 Mercedes-Benz SL Class. Listed 12 weeks ago in Tulsa, Oklahoma. With just 74,424 miles on the clock, this well-kept beauty features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Built to cruise smooth and look good doing it. Dressed in clean white with a cool blue interior, it's got that 90s luxury vibe that turns heads without trying too hard. The SL Class is known for blending comfort, performance, and timeless design, and this one still delivers all that in spades. Whether you're driving it on weekends or adding it to your growing collection, this classic convertible is ready to impress. Don't sleep on it. Cars like this don't stay parked for long. Number 15. 966 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D. Price, $13,000. Own a true slice of American muscle history with this iconic 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D. Listed just a week ago in Helena, Missouri, driven only 16,900 miles. This beauty is equipped with a manual transmission, putting you in full control of every roar and rumble. Classic lines, bold stance, and that unmistakable Mustang growl. This isn't just a car, it's an era on wheels. Whether you're a die-hard collector or a weekend cruiser chasing nostalgia, this 66 Coupe offers power, pride, and pure driving fun. From the chrome trim to the purring engine, everything about this Mustang screams character. Don't miss your chance to own one of the most beloved cars ever made. This pony's ready to run. That's it for today. If you love classic cars as much as we do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Keep the engine running, keep the wheels turning, and keep the classic cars alive, because legends never die. See you soon.